So these are 7-ounce containers, and watch nice, watch pretty color, watch turmeric scrub. Hey natural fans, welcome to the natural. Before we get down into this video, please to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Okay, so today we'll be making turmeric glow scrub, a turmeric face scrub. So right now I am putting on my gloves, and this is what I have right here. So what I have right there, so whip bath foaming. I want to call it again, people. I don't know it. Yes, so I sanitize my container, and I think that's around 2 pounds of foaming bath whip. Yes, that's the word. It's about 2 pounds of foaming bath whip. So it's let me show that. That's turmeric, licorice powder, honey. I will be using aloe vera gel also, and on sugar, on a brown sugar. Even when I use the white sugar, granulated sugar, then no problem, but me prefer brown sugar, and those are my 7-ounce containers. So what am I gonna do now? So bear in mind I'm doing a voice over, so yes, so me I watch the video myself right now and attack. So I don't remember what I was looking for in that box. What did I look for? I don't remember, but anyways. So hold on. Oh, my essential oils. Yes, I was using my essential oils. Oils from Eraton. Yeah, no. So I'll be using lemon oil essential oil and young long oil, if I say pronounce. Alright, so right now I'm scooping out my I'm scooping out my foaming bath whip into my container. Oh, me take it out back at the container because I wanted to weigh it first. Yes, to be honest, some things I measure and some things me just estimate it. But the bath whip is 2 pound foaming bath whip, and bear in mind that this bath whip, when you whip it, it's gonna double in size. So when you see it now, when it whip everything, it'll get more. So that's my mixer. I connect up my things, connect them up. Yeah, people. Alright, whipping time. So I'm going to whip and whip. So just whip. I was whipping for about couple minutes, around 10 minutes of whipping, to be honest. Around 10 minutes or more, because I want it to be really fluffy. So yeah, I'm just going to whip until it's where I like it. Alright people, so now I have my shea butter. I will be adding 4 ounces of shea butter to the whip bath thingy. Alright, so I'm adding my shea butter. Adding my shea butter. So let me take a scoop out to look at shea butter. Alright, I'm gonna whip again. Yes, so that's it, people. You see, look, the bath whip, it looks so creamy. So I'm gonna whip the shea butter along with it. So watch me again while I whip. Okay, natural farm. So right now I'm finished whipping. It look little bit right now, but may I tell you, when I add my sugar and my honey and everything, the container is gonna be filled. So don't worry about that. So right now I have my brown sugar. Get my little wooden spoon. And then I think, yes, I'm going for the turmeric powder. I think I added around 5 teaspoons. To me, turmeric has a lot of benefits. I love turmeric, so I never add turmeric. I add turmeric. So I add how much? So that's a 1. Truth in a container, that's a 1. 2. 3. That's 3. Alright, other 3, I'm gonna put more on, so I'm gonna put more people. So I'm gonna mix it. It looks so pretty. Yellow and brown looks so pretty together. So orange and brown. So I'm gonna mix it properly, people. And then I'm gonna go for now my honey. So yes, natural farm. So my honey, I'm gonna add my honey right now. Yeah. So I'm gonna do the container over here. So that's my scale. I'm gonna measure out my honey. I think I measured 4 ounces of honey. 4 ounces of honey, but in the last part I think I'm gonna add more honey. Yes, I added more honey to it. So yeah, measure out 4 ounces of honey. Alright, that's my 4 ounce honey. I'm gonna add it to the sugar and turmeric. Beautiful, people. It looks so pretty. Just look, it just pretty. Watch nice. May go on a closer view. Alright, see a closer view right here. May I pour the honey in the turmeric and the sugar, and then I'm gonna mix with a spoon. Well, I say some people use them hands, but me prefer to use the utensil. Yes, so I'm gonna mix it and bear things. Watch now. Watch turmeric, onion, sugar. So yes, people. So people, the best part now, the pouring part. So these are 7 ounce containers, and watch nice. Watch pretty color. Watch turmeric scrub. So this scrub will give you a natural glow. It will help to clear up any acne spots, any discoloration. You can use this scrub to just get a nice little glow, to just clear up your face. And worse, if I use the #1 selling soap, which the African black soap. Who don't know about African black soap? You need to know about it now. You need to try at least 1 African black soap. So watch turmeric scrub. So you can leave this on your face and do whatever you want to do. If you want to go wash the plate, if you want to go bathe with it, if you want to go sweep up the yard with it on your face, you do anything with it on your face. So okay, people, so this is a natural product. If you want this product, please go follow me at Jan Naturals, Instagram at Jan Naturals, JAH Naturals, NATURALS. Yeah, people, so please remember to subscribe to my channel to see more video. Comment if you like this video. Comment if you want to see me do more video. Just comment and tell me what you want to see, and we make the video for you. So thanks, people. Bye.